things going down there. It's like a competition thing on the beach. Something like kayak or anything like that. Today we're going on a trip to somewhere, I don't even know where it is. But watching PewDiePie, I'm gonna take some sun cream on, and yeah, and then outfit is just the same as yesterday, except this necklace that I got. It's sterling silver here. That's not it. That's it. Yeah, sterling silver. You can see that. Here's the Swedish flag, German flag, the USA flag, the something flag. I think it's Australian, and don't know. And that's what they do. Oh, right. That's how chicken or things chase each other. Hi guys, I haven't been vlogged too much today except for the ride. Like, we had a little ride downtown. Almost said that, but I was not gonna say that. I'm gonna say just a little ride around to, I don't know where it was. Somewhere in or how you say that in English. Anyway, so I was just watching, I'm still watching, but took the sound down, my May favorites, and it was interesting to see because in my May favorites I showed that my favorite was computer, if you wonder what I'm looking into a mirror, and I said I was maybe in a future video, maybe I'll use a Mac. Maybe you notice that I use iMovie, Final Cut Pro, I don't know, some editing programs that are on the Mac. I've just been on the Apple boutique that's just right, like, how do you say it? Well, we have a Cheesecake Factory, which is right, I can say right over there, and then you go a little bit further and then you come to a really big Apple store. I know Apple is a big brand and all that, but and then I look at the MacBook Air, which is just a little Mac, just very thin, really nice, and it costs about $899 in dollars, and then in Norwegian it's more if you actually see Norwegian coins, and then for the and plus the tax is 900, and it's a lot. It really is a lot. I never thought something like that. So I really want a Mac to edit on Final Cut Pro. So like I said, maybe in a future video, maybe I'm working on a Mac. I'm not really sure. But if you find that I'm using a Final Cut Pro, then please just leave a comment, because I'm just like, should I buy a Mac? Okay, so I have a question for you. Should I buy a Mac or should I not buy a Mac? Because I'm saving up for a camera or a Mac. So just please comment, because I'm not really sure. I'm not sure. I'm so confused. But I also, just to add this thing, that I've also had a little bit birthday in the ocean. First time in forever. First time in forever. I've been like, you see this, but I've been a long way because I didn't like the waves. And right, okay, it's not focused on my finger, please. And then like on this point I've been that long. Like really scared to go like further because I'm not like the best to do. But what the heck is that? Okay, I'll come back to that. But it's just, I've never actually tried to go further because I'm so scared. But this time I actually felt like, okay, I'm going out. My sister was really helping. So I did, and I did it. My like a mission unlocked. Woohoo! Now I'm gonna zoom into something that I don't really know what it is. So let me just zoom in. There we go. Is that like an, oh, it's just, oh, it's a yacht, right? It's just a normal boat. Right, so I'm just gonna stop here and watch. Oh, did I go to a new video? Oh, not it. Right, so I'll just continue watching, eating a cake. Healthy, really healthy.